everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. I am 30 weeks pregnant and I absolutely need the support of a belly band. This one from Mamaway has been exactly what I was looking for, and since I'm on my second pregnancy, I have tried quite a few. This one is so nice. I love how wide it is. It doesn't dig in at all, and it is very comfortable whether you wear it over top of a shirt or leggings or even underneath against your bare skin. It's also so stretchy. I love that. So it really lifts your belly so you do not have to feel like your belly is resting on your legs while you're walking around. It's also very easy to take care of. You want to make sure that you turn the Velcro pockets inside out so they don't get stuck to anything. Then I throw it into one of my bra washing bags and throw it in with my bras in the laundry, and then I hang it to dry. Whether you're still working, just at home, or trying to get more comfortable in your sleep, I absolutely recommend this Mamaway support belt for your belly. It is so comfortable and very easy to take care of. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.